Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I never thought I would own a Kenner Blythe doll. I absolutely love them. I now have a collection of Kenner dolls, Kenner Blythe dolls, and Kenner Blythe doll items. And I bought another something that I found. I really want to be careful opening this. In fact, I wonder if I could go across this way. I find these items and keep an eye on them, and then sometimes I make offers, and sometimes they accept my offers right away, and sometimes they counteroffer, and sometimes when they counteroffer, I counter back. But I found this, oh my God. Yep, as you can see, I already have this dress. However, I found this at a good price and I bought it again. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Now I knew it had this stain and I'm going to address that. I need a Kenner Spa Day. This is Golden Goddess, was called the outfit and the doll, in fact, that was dressed in it. And then I think on this one, now don't quote me for a fact, but I'm pretty sure you could also buy this in a fashion pack. See the Kenner tag? I'm very proud to have this in my collection. I am elated to say I have a Kenner collection. That is a really big deal. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.